Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make DIY sky wheel. For this, the material we require are colored sheets, pencil, a pair of scissors, glue and cardboard. Let's get started. First, cut your colored sheets into 4 equal size rectangular strips. Take one strip and fold it down the middle. Then open it up and fold inward again towards the middle. Fold over again towards the middle and paste it together by applying glue on the inside part. Now, our one spook of the wheel is ready. To make the beetle leaf shaped top part to be affixed on the spook, take another strip of the same color and fold to crease it in the middle horizontally and then vertically. Then fold over from the middle in this manner. From the bottom, take the middle half, fold it inwards to make a triangle shape and repeat for both sides. Then turn it upside down and fold it in similar way. After this, we will cut the extra parts. Apply some glue in the middle of the top part and paste the spook. Now we can paste the top part to make it into a beetle leaf shape. Finally, fold the spook from the bottom and the spook is ready. We will make a total of 20 similar spooks to make a full wheel. Once they are complete, we will paste all the parts together with the help of glue. Apply some glue on the folded part of the spook and paste it with other spook. Continue pasting all the spooks in the same way to make it a wheel. Now that the wheel is done, we will make the stand for our wheel. For this, take the cardboard sheet and cover it with a colored sheet. Then paste 4 rolled up sheets on all corners of the cardboard in this manner. After that, cover it by pasting another cardboard sheet on the top. To balance the wheel on the stand, we will put another sheet rolled thinly through the middle of the wheel. Place it on the top of the stand, then paste it with glue. And there you have it, our sky wheel is ready. Enjoy! Like, share and subscribe to KNMA for more exciting content, and don't forget to tag us when you share your finished artwork.